As the winter chill tightens its grip, there's nothing more comforting and soul-warming than a steaming bowl of wonderful soup. Delight your taste buds and embrace the cozy vibes with our selected list of the best soups for winter. This collection features a variety of culinary delights. It includes rich bisques and hearty broths, crafted to provide warmth and comfort during the coldest days. Embark on a flavorful journey as we explore a symphony of ingredients crafted to elevate your winter dining experience. Imagine enjoying a robust minestrone, a colorful medley of seasonal vegetables, or a luxurious lobster bisque, each serving a decadent delight. We've explored the culinary world to deliver masterpieces that will evoke a sense of warmth. It will leave you to crave for more. Our global selection offers a diverse range of tastes and textures. It offers from traditional classics to innovative creations. Discover the secrets to creating the perfect winter soup. Each bowl showcases the artistry of seasonal ingredients and the joy of savoring the moment. Get ready to elevate your winter dining experience, one spoonful at a time. Winter's embrace invites us to savor the warmth that only a bowl of the finest soups can provide. Our selection of best soups for winter has presented to be both delightful and nourishing. It ensures a comfortable and satisfying winter experience. This journey seeks to discover flavors that please the palate. It also aims to provide a comforting escape from the harsh winter weather. Spicy the coconut soup, a blend of lemongrass, coconut milk, and chili, offers a soul-soothing experience. It transports you to tropical realms while keeping winter at bay. Enjoy a hearty Tuscan white bean and kale soup featuring robust beans and vibrant greens for a wholesome, rich meal. These soups are more than mere recipes. They are culinary companions on your winter trip. Unveil a modern culinary masterpiece with curried pumpkin and apple soup. It's a fusion of pumpkin's earthiness and apple's sweet tartness. It crafts a velvety, delectable potion. Revel in each spoonful as it becomes a sensory journey. Explore the layers and depths that redefine the essence of winter dining. This exceptional soup offers not warmth, but a hard dance of flavors. It invites you to escape into a world where every bite is a delightful revelation. Upgrade your winter experience with this symphony of taste, a perfect blend of innovation and indulgence. But the journey doesn't stop there. Explore the umami richness of a Japanese miso soup. Here, fermented soybean paste transforms a simple broth into a complex and satisfying experience. Discover the secrets of the classic French onion soup, a culinary masterpiece made with caramelized onions and melted cheese. It nourishes both body and spirit. This culinary journey goes beyond cold fighting. It highlights soups that showcase the diverse and elegant flavors of winter. Enjoy these best soups for winter as a delicious companion during the colder months. Turn each meal into a culinary celebration of the season. As we wrap up our exploration of the best soups for winter, picture a season adorned with the culinary delights we've uncovered. Enjoy the tropical aroma of spicy Thai coconut soup and the nourishing Tuscan white bean and kale soup during chilly evenings. Curried pumpkin and apple soup offers a modern twist on winter dining. Japanese miso soup remains a comforting classic with its umami richness. With these culinary treasures, may each spoonful bring warmth. May it also bring a symphony of flavors that transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Celebrate winter with the guidance of the best soups, ensuring a flavorful experience. Let each spoonful be a journey of comfort and joy. Transform your meals into a winter celebration, savoring the warmth and richness in every bowl. Here's to a season filled with culinary delight and the pleasure of extraordinary flavors. Take a culinary trip and improve your winter dining experience with the best soups for winter. Dive into a world of flavors that warm the soul and tantalize the taste buds. Whether you crave the exotic, hearty, or innovative, our curated selection has a bowl full of joy waiting for you. Winter should not freeze your spirit. Allow these soups to be your delightful friends during the colder months. Join us in celebrating the artistry of seasonal ingredients and the joy of savoring the moment. Elevate your winter dining and make every meal a celebration. Your delightful winter awaits, one spoonful at a time.